How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to another episode of E-Ripz House of Cards. And on the journey to my next PSA order, I have been fiending to rip. So today, I went to the card vault by Tom Brady at the Dream Mall, and I picked me up something nice. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time on my channel, we will be doing a Bowman's Best Basketball. And not only a Bowman's Best Basketball, but a Bowman's Best Breaker's Delight. The first time I will ever be ripping a Breaker's Delight product. I am super excited and super nervous at the same time. A little bad box mojo. A little dented box. You know what I'm saying? They said this the only indicator that I could find. But you know what they say. Look for 1 relic autograph and 2 chrome autographs per box on average. This is only 1 pack and 10 cards. Sheesh. I had to bring out the special mat for this one. I've been rocking with the other one for a while. But for a Breaker's Delight, we gotta throw the black. Sheesh. It's been a while. It's been a while. And we are chasing Con Knuckle and Cooper Flagg, the 2 leading candidates for Rookie of the Year. Ace Bailey, Dylan Harper, Rutgers boys. I'm pretty sure Paige is in here. Maybe Juju, not sure. But you already know. Coop Con for the win. Nervous. That triple autograph that they have with Coop, Con, and Malak is fire. And I would really, really like to pull that. But any nice Flagg auto or anything would be fine. I don't really pull a lot of Flaggs where he be hiding from me. Haven't really pulled a lot of Con. Harper comes to me a lot, so a Harper autograph would be sick too. Oh man, I don't want to rush into this because it's gonna be done so fast. They don't even really tell you nothing. I like the stickers. College, CLPA, college, license, okay. Redemptions cards can carry 10-year expiration date. Actual dates will vary. Well, that's good to know because Bob, the card collector, does these amazing breaks for the community. And in the last 2 videos, he's pulled back-to-back carry to 10 autographs for somebody in the Discord, which is absolutely phenomenal. The first one just happened to be a redemption. I'm not sure how that is going to play out for him. I hope they honor that. Oh man, 1 pack is wild. Oh man, your boy is nervous. Your boy is nervous. So actually, I'm gonna show you I'm ripping the cards on camera, but I don't want to know what's inside, and I don't have any little things with me to cover them, so I'm gonna use the box because I don't want to ruin the surprise for myself or for anybody else. We only got 10 cards anyway. We got Alex Caraban from UConn. I'm a UConn fan, so I really don't know who this guy is though. But this is a beautiful card. Carbon flies around the court, devouring space and wearing out defenders. His exceptional shooting prowess spaces the floor for his teammates, and his timely passes use those gaps to create high-quality opportunities. When Alex has a clean look for himself, he rises and knocks it down very soundly. So he sounded like a good player. Yeah, but these cards are, I'm not gonna lie, very, very, very nice. That's dope. I like this very much, actually. I like it a lot. And I just got out of work, so excuse the dirty fingernails and dirty hands if they are, but I did wash my hands. But I literally just got off of work. I finished unloading everything and I started setting up to record. One down, 9 to go. I see something crazy, so let's start pulling from the back, actually. From the bottom. We got a Garway Dual from Seton Hall. I don't even know what position he plays. I'll check the back of the card in a minute. He's a guard. Dual slices around screens. Dual slices. That sounds like his name. Oh, this is different. So this is a geometric. And this is a silver. Oh, okay. But no number, so that's a base geometric. We're gonna go from the bottom of the pile again, because I don't want to see. This is not easy. I'm not gonna lie right now. Taman Lipsy, Iowa State on the geometric. No, I don't think that's gold. If you were thinking that, that's just his team colors. Little bend to the cards. Don't like that too much. Oh, okay. So the next card is some color. Oh, we got John Bull. 3 out of 15. Sheesh. Bobo, little brother. Definitely got to be Bobo's little brother. John Ball. 3 out of 15. Imagine if that was a Flagg or a Con. John Ball. Not sure what his market is, but I'm hoping that is something, because this box is kind of expensive. So next card we have a Fusion AJ Store. This is kind of giving me case hit vibes. Flory Bedunga. Yo, my man got the name. This is definitely giving me case hit vibes. And I've watched some breaks. I've never seen this one before. It doesn't say refractor on the back or anything. See, this says refractor. This is geometric. So, this might be a case hit. I'll check. I will check. Give me 1 minute. I'm trying to get it in the top holder, the top loader, excuse me, without damaging the card. Fusion. I left my other phone in the van, so I'm gonna have to check that later. but I'm pretty sure it's a case hit, and I'm actually kind of freaking excited. Let's go! Oof. Stop. Come on. Next. Jaleel Bethea. I actually know this name. That's 34 out of 199 from Miami Canes, and this is a sick color match. That's fire. I don't know what his market is, but I know who he is, so he has a market, I'm sure. If there's anything crazy, when I'm editing the video, I'll throw it up there so you guys can know, you know what I mean? We can learn together. I learn while I'm editing, you learn while you're watching. Come on. Sheesh. The bend on the cards doesn't make it easy to put in. And I don't even like how that went in, actually. That top, the penny sleeve is looking crazy. And I know I'm taking long, but it's only 10 cards. Let me enjoy. Just spent almost $500 on this box. But I must admit that this is very healing, and I enjoy ripping very much. I buy singles too, but it's not as fun. So you go on the bottom there, buddy. Carter Knox. 73 out of 99 from the Arkansas, Razorbacks. This is pretty nice. I don't know what parallel this is. I don't know if you can see that on camera. There you go. But that is fire. I like this a lot. Mr. Carter Knox. Yeah, they just got knocked out of the tourney. So it's actually a perfect time that I'm actually doing this, to be honest. I didn't even think about that. I was in the store just thinking about what was the best options for me to rip and have fun. And was it this or WNBA or the McDonald's box? There's a few options that I had. And it came down to this. Mr. Carter Knox. So we got, I'm pretty sure, case hit, 15, 99, and 199. Which parallel do you like the most so far? Because these are all different and they're all nice. We got 7 cards down. We only got 3 cards left and they're all autographs. So we're gonna start from the bottom. Whoa, a red geometric, 5 out of 10. Cam Scott. I'm not even sure who this is, but just pulling a red geometric. This is beautiful. They're all good because it's Bowman's best. It's not Bowman Chrome. So it's the best college players available. His autograph is fire too. Wow, that's so nice. Look at that. Whoa. This is so nice, bro. Five out of 10. Cam Scott. That is fuego. Oof. Come on. Don't play with me. I don't like how these are going into the top loaders because of the bends and the chromium. But there we go. Cam Scott. 5 of 10. Bam. don't want to see. Come on. Let's go! 1 out of 15. Duke Knuppel. Holy shit. Yo. I won. Oh my God. First print. Knuppel. Duke. Legend. And Charlotte Hornet. 50, 40, 90 rookie. Rookie of the year in running. Yo! I finally did it. Like, I'm about to cry. Like, I'm so happy. Like, you have no idea. You have no idea how happy I am. Finally pulled a con, and it's an autograph. Yo. Wow. Honestly, just wow. And to 15. Like, this isn't even a base auto. Best of 2024 autograph card. Yes, he is. Wow. Wow. Just wow. What a box. And we have one more card. Oh my fucking God. Alabama Sears. Sick, disgusting patch. Autograph. Orange geometric to 25. I think I broke the bank, fellas. Prospect. Up top, you see it. Prospect. Prospect. And on the bottom of the words. This fucking card is amazing. I'm so happy I bought this. Dual relic autograph. Oh my God. This memorabilia contained in this card was worn by the featured athlete. That's fucking amazing. Wow. What's crazy is I don't have anything to put this in. And I left my big sleeves upstairs, so I cut a little, suck my finger through it, stick your finger through, bust it out, so it makes it easier to put the card in, and you don't damage the card or the corners. But you still got to be very careful. Very careful. Wow. But as amazing as that is, this has to be the most expensive card I ever pulled. And I've pulled some shit. I've pulled some big cards. But this is a fucking monster. This is an absolute monster. Yo, so to 15, to 10, and to 25. What a fucking box. What a box. And then I'm pretty sure this is a case hit. Bad box mojo. I told you. Bro. And I'm glad that we didn't hit any big names here, because they saved the big names for here. So you get 2 base geometrics and you get a refractor. 2 base geometrics and a refractor. I'm sorry, but I can't. Yeah. My excitement right now is through the roof. We got 3 numbered base cards. 15, 99, and 199. So we got 2 to 15, excuse me, in one box. Yo. Wow. Wow. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Wow. I'm very grateful to be doing this. This just made it all amazing, bro. Amazing. If you stay with me this long, thank you. I appreciate it. E-Ripz out.